Hey guys, welcome back to Introduction to Bash Scripting Part 4. In this segment, we'll explore functions, a fundamental concept in Bash scripting that allows you to encapsulate reusable Bash blocks of code. So functions in Bash are defined using the function keyword. So if we're going to go back, and then for now we're going to clear all this out. So we're going to start out by defining a function. We're going to say it's greet. And then we're going to start it out with lowercase, or it can be any case, honestly, word. And then you have left parenthesis, right parenthesis, and then you're going to start with your left bracket and your right bracket. Inside of this, however, we're going to have a new line in here, and then inside of this is going to be your function. So in this case, we're going to say hello, or we're going to echo out hello, your first parameter. And what this means, parameters are basically arguments are passed into functions. So whenever you pass it in, it's gonna. So we're giving it number one, meaning it's gonna be the first thing that you're gonna pass in. So I'm gonna show that in a sec. So we're gonna call the function by doing greet, and then let's just say Alice. So basically what this means here, Alice, is the first parameter that we're passing into. So it's going to be your $1, that's your positional argument. So it's going to say hello, Alice. Now let's say we got a little greedy, and let's say we wrote Aiden. What do you think would happen?
Let me know in the comments, please.
So let's say if we were to do that. Now if we were to run this, it's going to say hello, Alice. Why is it not saying Aiden? What? It's because we're using the first, that's why we have the number one. Your $sign just means you're passing in a variable or an argument. In this case, we're using one. One is not a variable, it's more or less just an argument. So Alice is the first thing we're passing in when we call this function. However, you can do, let's just say and, or just write and for now, it doesn't matter, 2. Now if we're going to run this again, it's going to say hello, Alice and Aiden. So that's pretty much your basics into functions. Pretty simple. They get pretty challenging in our programming languages, using a return statement, stuff like that. So it's pretty basic once you're learning how to use Bash. So cool stuff. So in this part, we've really just explored how to define and use functions in Bash scripting. Functions allow you to encapsulate reusable blocks of code, making your scripts more modular and maintainable. By mastering functions, you can enhance the readability and reusability of your Bash scripts. Next part of our series, we'll dive more into advanced topics such as Bash scripting, including string manipulation, file handling, and command line arguments. So join us as we continue our journey through the world of Bash scripting. See ya!